Have you ever wondered why tigers are orange? Well, here's the surprising truth. Tigers appear orange only to us humans, not to other animals. Prey animals like deer have dichromatic vision, which means they can't see red or orange. Instead, they perceive these colors as shades of green. So to a deer, a tiger blends perfectly with the green grass and foliage of the jungle, making it nearly impossible to spot. This natural camouflage gives tigers a huge advantage, allowing them to sneak up on their prey undetected. And that's exactly why tigers are orange. It's nature's clever design for the ultimate predator.